hello. Try na ito nga di siya makapiright may laba. Wait lang sa try the video. Try na to. Ang cellphone ma-okay pa ba ni siya or dark na? Look at the view of the countryside. See guys. Korba kay ang dadre guys no. Look at guys. See tebe. Kita ta diri sa mga gawing oil para sa cooking. Guys. Da 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 da. Ako na lang ang mag-music para mag-kansing para dili mag-copyright. Daming nag-copyright, dami nating delete. Ayaw nila ang music. Bakit kaya? Mura going to kuan guys. Going. Going to Ulysses. Ay, wamanday ni siya nag-own eh. Hello people. Magandang buhay. Nagsihi kong video na wadi na on. Not on the video, crazy.
Oh, I should have gone down there.
You down there eh?
Yeah, we'll go down the next one.
Yeah. Down the next one kay nice kay di more mountain, going to mountain.
Mountain view.
Going to Mountain View. You've been in Mountain View in Cebu, no? Busay. One time you been there, my love, no?
2 times.
Mountain View. One time naman to good. One time. Padong tas bukid guys. Oh, dira bukid guys ay padong des bukid. Oh, malapas ka ha. I been there ay the restaurant there ay very mahal pag last December. Oh, nice. Mountain of Tralala. Uy, my love.
Oh my love.
Oh my love, my darling, my sweetheart. Oh my love, won't believe that you have left me. I can say, oh ni kita lang magkanta. Agoy, kabiri big. Kabiri big. Atong italikod atong kamera guys. Kay minyo ng driver. Why you take me a video, Mrs.? No, I'm not take you a video. That's why take tag video sa Mountain of Tralala. Mao ni siya dire guys, Mountain of Tralala. Mountain of Tralala. This is my driver everywhere.
After Christmas. Santa Claus.
Kenny Roger kuno siya guys. Same ba ni sa face ni Kenny Roger. Oh my gosh, dami ba ditong sasakyan? Mga delivery man ni my love no? Kaning mga van. Deliver sa mga bukid like sa mga post in Facebook. Oy! Chape! Ba't kayo nag-order? Ang malayo nyo na kayo sa bukid. Imong Chape, imong Amazon. Deliver sa province. Sa province of Tralalala. Quiet kay diri guys. So, night time guys, wala diri ilaw. Walang lights. Only lights of your car.
I want to go to Mortimer.
Where you go? You lost, Stewart. The mountain of Tralala. Tanawa lang dire guys. O simba ko maplat imong sakyanan.
Gotta be a left turn up here somewhere.
Ang layo.
There it is.
Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Nice kay lang mga house dire guys. Oh, di madutlan og snow. Walang ganyan sa Pilipinas nga house kay very hot naman na inside. No need to use aircon here. Mahappy lang kung maka-feel ko og sweaty. Feel sweaty. Oh, morg salangob atong giagian. Salangob. Salangob tayo papunta guys. Ouch. Ouch. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Hello. Hello people, magandang buhay.
All the people. Too many people.
Siya lang magkanta kay wa nag-music. Makapiright man. Give me a time to my video, no without sounds.
Just killed a man.
Louder.
The gun against his head. Pulled my trigger, now he's dead.
Mama.
Life had just begun, but now I've gone and thrown it all away.
Mama.
Mama. Look at the deer.
Hamang deer. Where's the deer? Oy deer, di pa daplin. Oy, wag malab.
Do you want to see close?
No, yeah, you no. Oh, kay maligsan.
Is it
Careful. Yeah, it's gone. It's gone. The cute sa deer.
Little muntjac.
Yeah. Watching you. He's hiding. Oh, paboritong Stewart.
No.
Paboritong Stewart.
There's my lunch.
Lunch. Kanang bird nga dagko guys, badaghan ka diri guys. Ilan ang pangligsan guys, ilang kaunon. Looy naman, oy kawawa naman.
Mama.
Da-da-da. Ooh. That's fast as
Sometimes we shouldn't have been born at all.
Daddy, don't carry on.
There's nothing really matters.
Walang mga house dito guys, makita mo konti lang mga houses dire. Ba't daming iko? Ouch! Ouch, ouch, ouch. Wala pang nagian na mo nga nai makitang maraming car. Doon pa guys.
You won't see any deer along here now.
Carry on, get it better nothing. Kung nighttime diri may lab, very dark kay may lab no.
Yeah.
Only your lights in the car. Use the lights in the road and be careful kay ang mga deer mukalit na sila jump diha sa gilid guys. Kailangan sa center ka magkuan agi. Makita mo left and right ang deer. Kay pag ang deer kalit siyang magtakbo nya dito banda sa imuhang glass sa car, baka mabasag ang kuan glass sa car. Pag malakas ang takbo niya, may ano ba, may deer. Mga wild deer. Mga wild deer, guys. That's why be careful. Mag-drive, slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Siya, guys. Slow down. Slow down, slow down. Going to the pub. Mag-disco may pub. Ang ilang pub diri guys, kuan na ra siya. Only take a lunch, dinner, but pub sa Pilipinas, di ba pub like disco? Diskuhan. Dito pub, parang kainan. Mag-lunch ka, mag-dinner ka, or saba. Dito, abot na mi. Dito guys, sa pub. Ito ang pub. Dito na
Some of these parts in the
kami.
disabled bay.
Dito na mi sa Heidi. Heidi Kale.
Oh, Ulysses is not here.
Kanatang mo ari ka my love,